What's up guys, MF Hammer, working on the 2012 V6 Mustang. I installed a Throttlebody spacer and a throttle body. It was pretty easy. Like, you just paid attention to what you took off, put it back how it was. You got that, but I broke a clamp on my cold air intake. One of these clamps. So I gotta go back clamp. And then you'll be able to see, or I'll show you how it sounds. And just put a cold air intake back on. Where's my clamp piece? I think I put it in my car. Alright, I'll be back. Gotta go shopping, get a fucking clamp. And it was a very simple install. Usually taking it off is the hardest part, which it was for me. The spacer comes with new screws, so I didn't even use the screws that came with this, or the old ones. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I got a new clamp, and it seems to be running just fine. I forgot those two things and it wouldn't stay on. So if you got the same one that didn't have those installed already, be sure to put those on. It does seem to have less throttle. Like, that's barely on it. Alright, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe for more.